Mohit, welcome to our interviews here at the GITEX 2025. I'd like to first start by asking you to introduce yourself, give us your name, your title, a short description of your job role. Go ahead, please.
Absolutely, Arun. Thank you very much for having me. My name is Mohit Bector. I have been in the Middle East market for almost 20 years now, working in the IT hardware industry. I joined ASUS a couple of years back because ASUS progress and focus on the business division is really laser sharp right now. In the current role, I'm managing the UAE and GCC market, heading the business division.
Fantastic. So ASUS traditionally known more on the gaming side as a laptop. What is the current vision in terms of its products and how you want the rollout to change in the Middle East? Go ahead.
So absolutely. So ASUS legacy started almost 36 years back with mass-produced motherboards, right? We are still the best in the world. We are still more than 50% market share when it comes to motherboards. From there, we went into client computing. We started with consumer, with gaming. We are number one, number two, wherever we are going with those portfolio. So not recently, 5+ years back, our top leadership realized that why are we leaving 51% of the market, which is B2B as per IDC globally? Why are we leaving it out there? So we started building products from scratch. So we have our expert series, laptops as well as desktops and all-in-ones, which are made for business from the ground up, which is what we are bringing to the market with the help of our channel partners here.
Very interesting. So traditionally, the OEMs also like to align with the government institutions, public sector, the large-scale national players. What is ASUS role and activities go-to-market been at that level?
So when we started ASUS Business as a division almost 5+ years back, like I said, our primary focus was education and public sector. So across the globe, even in this region, we've done a lot of activities with the ministries, specifically education to begin with, and it is now expanding to the AI ministry because of our expanding portfolio when it comes to AI devices, both at high computing level as well as client devices. So this is something which is part of our core strategy to align with the public sector market wherever we are present. If you look at some of our Eastern European markets, we have more than 10% market share over there already, which means we are working hand in hand, understanding the strategy and vision of the public sector in each of those geographies and aligning with them.
Fantastic. So usually the education sector quite high on the tablet type of devices for courseware and things like that, making it moving away from paper and books to so your line of products, especially the Chromebooks, how does it actually being used in the education sector?
So Chromebooks is a high strategy focus for us. We have been very successful over the last year globally as well with Chromebooks and even locally. Locally, our Chromebook volume has more than doubled year on year. That is not by coincidence. It is by partnering with one of the Google Chrome partners, aligning more with the Google local team as well. And if I talk about some of our major wins globally, there was recently a Japan Giga project done, where close to 500,000 units of Chrome were won by ASUS. So Chrome aligning with education as well as Google vision for education is something which is core part of our strategy going forward as well.
Fantastic. And in terms of education also, what is the go-to-market? Is it at the school level, university level? What happens over there?
So education, be it public or private, is important for us because we have the portfolio to address that. We have ruggedized laptops not only on the Chrome side but also on the Windows side. So if a kid is spilling something by mistake on it or dropping it by mistake, you don't have to rush to the IT department and there is no disruption in learning. For public sector, we are aligning with the top tier partners and trying to get as close to the public sector customers and the ministry as well to understand their pain points. And when it comes to private sector, the approach or the go-to-market approach is much more scattered to make sure that we have a couple of major reference wins and how do we leverage that to enter into more and more of those.
Fantastic. Now about the integration of AI into the PCs and especially whether AI should be there at school level and all that. What is the thinking in terms of Copilot and the PCs and so on? Go ahead.
So across all these technology vendors or OEM manufacturers that you see, ASUS was the first to market when it comes to a Copilot Plus PC based on Intel x86 architecture. Last year in Q4 itself, we were the first one who were able to bring it to market. And the same trend is going to continue. We understand the AI workflows are increasing, are growing, and a common user also going forward needs to have the AI power on their device, not only in the data center or on the edge.
Fantastic.